Hey y'all, welcome back.
Today we're back on Anna Maria. You cannot see that. Come on, Mama. Come on, Betsy.
Oh my goodness.
Come on. There we go.
We're back on Anna Maria Island.
Yep.
We wanted to get out of the house.
Yes.
Jackson is not with us again.
He's at my grandma's house.
That's at home, but we wanted to come out here because Hurricane Fred, which is not a hurricane, but everybody is saying it's a hurricane.
Yeah.
It's a, I don't even know if it's a tropical storm anymore, but it's out in the Gulf, and whenever there's a storm, we like to come out to the beach and
Look at the waves.
yeah, check out the water and see what's going on out here. So it's raining.
Yeah.
That's still
If you
like,
can't see, it is raining.
but we're gonna drive around and see what we can do out here.
And jam out to Harry Styles.
Oh yeah, and we're jamming out to Harry,
And probably One Direction, because we love that.
but we love Harry.
Yeah, he's amazing.
So.
I snorted again.
Okay, we got out of the car. It's a little windy.
Bikers.
Oh, there's where? Okay. Yeah, my hair's gonna frizz up in a heartbeat out here. Where are you going, babe? Oh, that way? Okay. We came out here. We're gonna check out, see if there's any waves. We saw a couple surfers out here. Oh my gosh. My hair. This is why I wear, oh, there is waves. This is why I wear a hat most of the time.
There's a lot of surfers.
Oh, there's a lot of surfers out here. We are so gonna get them on camera. That's so cool. Oh, he's doing awesome. Okay, Chloe, look at my hair. I look afraid. Oh, and Red Tide is present. Oh, look at all these people out on the pier.
I didn't even know that was still there.
I'm like the only one out here with an umbrella. That's okay. Oh my gosh, there's a ton of them.
Holy
Let's see if we can get closer. Guys,
what
there's
this
so
reminds
many surfers out here.
You know what this reminds me of? Teen Beach Movie. I wonder what the water feels like. Oh, it's warm. Feel it.
There's like 20 of them out there. Ooh, the water's warm. Oh, here they go. Here they go.
Holy
Oh, everybody fell. My feet are
sinking.
sinking in the sand. You know what? Everybody's out here just waiting for their wave. And Fred is right out there in the Gulf, headed up toward the Panhandle. It's pretty cool. Oh, here we go. Here's one. There's some dolphins out there right in front of the surfers. Hopefully they'll come up. This, friends, is why I wear a hat in Florida. I step outside in the summertime and it
She
just
has an afro.
kinks up.
Ooh, I got some-
Oh my goodness. Oh well. What can you do?
Her mascara looks good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Really? I'm so thankful for your mascara. Okay,
Here we
where are we
go.
going next?
We're gonna down there. I don't know what beach is that way. But
Oh,
down-
Coquina. We're gonna head toward Coquina.
You know why I put mascara on? 'Cause you never know who you're gonna run into.
Oh, some
Some life tips for you.
hot surfer dudes over washing her feet.
I need your help.
You need my help? I think you got it. Oh, here, thanks, honey.
I love you. I didn't want to get wet. But...
So we are down at Coquina right now, and they have the yellow flag posted, which is medium hazard, down where we were before, and there's the yellow flag up there. Down where we were before, which is just right over there, they had the red, which would be high hazard. So that's weird that it's so different, and we're only like a couple blocks away.
Oh, pirate. High risk rip current.
Okay, so they just made an announcement about a high rip current warning, and they're making everybody get out of the water. I've never heard them do that before. We are currently at the public beach. Over that way is where we did our beach cleanup a couple weeks ago. And there was one surfer. Oh, he's over here. But really, it's just kind of people trying to enjoy the beach. I don't know why they would want to on this day, but I wonder if they'll make that announcement again. We'll go check it out. They've got everything tied down for the storm. Always be prepared, even though it didn't come to us directly.
Good change.
Yeah, good to be prepared. There they go. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go home. It's not too bad out here. You can definitely tell like all the tourists have left.
Yeah.
The island is pretty much empty.
Mhm.
All the
The
golf
rain's
carts
starting to
aren't
fall.
rented. All the scoot coops aren't rented. Bicycles. So it's definitely slowed down here on the island.
The rain has definitely picked up.
Oh yeah, the rain has picked up, and then it'll get crazy again here, but it won't be till what, like around spring break. So
Yeah, spring coming. Well, yeah. Spring break.
yep. All right, so we're gonna go home, and we will see you guys next time. And we're just trying to make it to the car because the rain's getting a little worse. All right, bye.